In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who can see your files on Google Drive. Understanding how to monitor activity on your Google Drive files is extremely helpful, especially when you are working on shared documents or managing collaborative projects. It allows you to stay informed about who is interacting with your content and helps ensure that your files are being accessed appropriately and securely. To begin, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Once the page loads, proceed to open Google Drive. When prompted, sign in to your Google account so you can access your personal Drive workspace, where all your files and folders are stored in an organized layout. After logging in, you will arrive at your Google Drive homepage. From here, locate the file you want to check. You can scroll through your list of documents or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the file by typing its name. Once you find it, click on the file to highlight and select it. With the file selected, direct your attention to the top right section of the interface. You will see an icon represented by 3 vertical dots, commonly known as the More Actions menu. Click on this icon to open a drop-down list of additional options related to your file. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled File Information. This will open a side panel on the right side of your screen, where you can view detailed information about the selected file, including its activity history and access details. Inside this panel, look for the section labeled Activity. Click on it to view a complete record of interactions with your file. This includes information such as who viewed the file, who made edits, and any comments that were added, along with the time these actions occurred. This feature is especially useful for tracking engagement and ensuring that your shared content is being used as intended. And that's it. You now know how to check who has accessed your Google Drive files. This is a powerful feature for managing collaboration and maintaining control over your shared documents. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more features in Google Drive to improve your productivity and file management experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.